Hello everyone, this is Recharger here, and I am finally caught up with my RLCs. This is my last, and I mean not last, but the latest one I have bought, and I am ready to unbox it. This is the 1964 Dodge Power Wagon in the olive green. I have heard that this is a very big, very popular right now. Like people have been really liking this one. So let me get my side of the opinion also. Wish all RLCs would come like this because they come in like in acrylic cases. Okay, there we go. There. So here's the cardboard. You can pause and read that if you want to. Some stuff about it. And here's the reveal. Voila. Wow. That color is insane. Like olive green. Holy. So it's supposed to be displayed like this. Okay, so 64 Dodge Power Wagon. Officially licensed and everything. So it's not screwed to the base, which is amazing. Very good. Although for displaying purposes, if you want to display it, then you'll have to display it like this because it will just drive around in the box and hit all the sides and might damage the car itself eventually. So let's get it out and have a look at it. Okay. And it has the Hot Wheels logo right there on the base. Doesn't want to focus for some reason. There we go. No, never mind. It's fine. And there's the car itself. I might actually need to, in the future, do videos for this. For all C's with, like, I don't know, gloves or something. Okay, I'll keep that around for now. Not sure if I'm going to keep the acrylic case because I like to display these without anything on them or inside anywhere. So look at this, like the color is super cool. The black top, which is matte. The front is also, this one is very cool because it has the separately casted, I think, separately casted, what do you call these, like suspension or, that was, I forgot, this does say in the back here, the suspension is constructed of separate parts, authentic detail, and blah 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 blah. Drivetrain, okay. Suspension and drivetrain. So it's interesting how the exhausts come out here in the front side, like right underneath the doors, not somewhere to the back. We have also these very awesome looking off-road wheels. Rims look very good for an off-road vehicle. The bed is also matte. There's the back of it. Let's say Dodge. Here's the front. Looking very good, and I know that the hood is openable. There we go. There's your engine details in there. Interesting engine looking. So there you go. The 413. Yeah, this is very cool. Does roll super well. So yeah, there you have it. There's the RLC Dodge Power Wagon. Quick and short video. Yes, it's only one car. Like I said, I've caught up with my last RLC. So in the future, when I'll get new RLCs, I'll probably be doing singulars, not doubles like I did previously, just to quickly get caught up with them. Because I thought I have a bunch of stuff, a bunch of other stuff to open and show, but then I caught up with everything, and now we are here now. So, like I said, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.